Winning does not always mean being first. Winning means you are doing better than you have done before. With this beautiful quote, I, Shreya from class 9, presenting today's morning assembly. So let's start our morning assembly with this one.
School! Attention! Ready for day begun!
We love our country. School is a place to learn respect for the flag and country. It's time to take commitment to serve the nation. Let's we take place for this. I would like to call Avinash. Take place, position. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are my
All Indians are my
brothers and sisters.
brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am
Proud
proud of it.
of its
Rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall always
strive
to be
to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders respect
and all their respect
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
and praise my devotion
and teach my devotion
in their service
in their service
and prosperity alone.
and prosperity alone.
Lies my happiness.
Lies my happiness.
Jai Hind. Now, principle of Arya Samaj will be delivered by Kiran.
School! Stand attention!
10 principles of Arya Samaj. The Vedas are the
Vedas are the
scriptures of all true knowledge. It is the duty of all Aryas to read them, hear them, being read, and recite them to others. Principle number 4. We should always be ready to accept the truth and give up the untruth. Thank you. Good thought builds our inner strength and helps us grow mentally and spiritually so that we can live a successful and optimistic life. Now let us move to next part of our morning assembly, that is thought of the day. For this I would like to call Sanma.
Today's thought: education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I repeat, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thank you.
School, attention! Ready for prayer song?
Of the changing events, issues, and characters in the world outside. It is informed to educate and to entertain. For today's new update, I would like to call Ravanjan.
School, stand attention!
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are: Ministers attack on Muslims sparks political controversy. Assam Chief Minister Hemant Biswa Sarma campaigned for BJP candidate in Manipur ahead of polls. Tank seen in context after putting reconnaissance breakaway regions of Ukraine. Omicron BA2 should be declared as variant of concern, demand US health expert. Rahul Dravid lent support to promising 23 years old despite poor outing against WA. Thank you.
For amazing and wonderful facts, I would like to call Sarva.
Good morning everyone. Today's factorial are based on aquatic animals. Jellyfins have been around for more than 650 million years, which means that they have outdated both dinosaurs and sharks. Dolphins live with one half of their brain and one eye open, so they can watch for predators. The color of an octopus is blue. At 180 decibels, the calls of blue whales is the loudest sound made by any animals on the planet. This ring has The scheme's heart is in its head. Seahorses are the only animals in which the male, not the female, gives birth and cares for their younger ones. That's all. Thank you.
It's time to enhance our vocabulary. For this, I would like to call Penny. Good morning, everyone. Word of the day is tremulous. Spelling is Tremulous. Its spelling is characterized by or affecting with trembling. Its synonym is a tremble. Its antonym is audacious. I repeat, today's word is tremulous. Its spelling is Tremulous. Its spelling is characterized by or affecting with trembling. Its synonym is a tremble. Its antonym is audacious. Thank you.
School! Attention! Ready for national anthem!
Every event has its end, and now we have also reached at the end of our assembly. I hope you liked it. Thank you. Have a cheerful day.